Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make custard simple. First, gather your ingredients. Typically 4 egg yolks, 2 cups of whole milk, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and a dash of vanilla extract. Ensure your equipment is ready, including a whisk, a heat-proof bowl, and a saucepan. This preparation ensures a smooth and enjoyable cooking process from start to finish. Begin by whisking your egg yolks and sugar together in a bowl until the mixture becomes pale yellow and slightly thickened. In a separate saucepan, gently heat your milk over medium-low heat until it's warm but not boiling. Now, slowly pour about 1/3 of the warm milk into the egg mixture while continuously whisking to temper the eggs. This prevents them from scrambling. Pour the tempered egg and milk mixture back into the saucepan with the remaining warm milk. Cook over low heat, stirring constantly with a wooden spoon or spatula. Continue stirring until the custard thickens enough to coat the back of your spoon, which usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes. Do not let it boil, as this can curdle the eggs. Once thickened, remove the custard from the heat and immediately strain it through a fine mesh sieve into a clean bowl. This step ensures a perfectly smooth, lump-free texture. Stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that classic, comforting flavor. Cover the surface with plastic wrap to prevent a skin from forming as it cools. Chill for at least 2 hours before serving. For other great deals, and to check out those leak-proof containers, see the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.